The all-new setting table from SMW-AUTOBLOK Telbrook, designed with efficiency in mind. This latest innovation has been designed to eliminate setup times and can accompany any and all machines that have a rotary table, whether they use a chuck, clamps or automatic positioning and clamping systems. Its primary function is to take out the setting time from the machine tool altogether. In most common cases, components will be loaded onto a fixture plate, which is then loaded into the machine and then checked or clocked in. Depending on the complexity of the component and accuracy to which it has to rotate, this can take an unknown amount of time. With this new standalone setting table, the unknown amount of time reduces to 0. The way the setting table works is instead of loading a component and fixture into a machine, it is loaded onto the setting table. These particular tables have their own automatic positioning system or APS modules on them. They are very easy to use and are accurate within 5 microns. The adjustable arms are easily removable and attachable as they are locked into position with a couple more APS modules. It has 3 speeds of 3, 1.5 and 0.5 revs per minute using a jog button or the hand wheel, and the table can rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. It has a safety parameter pull stop cord all the way around. With over 30 years experience in manufacturing of work holding fixtures, they can supply these setting tables to any engineering company using new fixtures or any fixtures to suit their highly accurate APS work holding system. Setting time is downtime, so stop wasting your time and buy this new setting table from SMW-AUTOBLOK Telbrook.